Hi everyone, this is Laura O'Connor, gardener, currently quarantined in my parents' house. So I thought I'd pass on some jobs that you could be doing today that might be a nice thing to do with friends or family at the moment in quarantine. So the jobs I'm doing today, I'll just start here. I'm doing a lot of splitting and dividing of perennials. So this is a lovely clump of campion, and this is a double campion, so it is a double flower and a deep cerise colour. Beautiful. It'll be coming into flower in the next I'd say 3 to 4 weeks. So as you can see, a big clump of it here, so I've just dug it up and divided it. Again, another great one for dividing this time of year is perennials. As you can see here, there's a mass of plants in that perennial clump, and here again in the cerise one, another mass of plants. So both of those have been split and divided and reduced in size. Here's another one which I've tried, which was a little bit trickier, and that's campanula, which as you can see is very prolific in spreading, but getting a decent bit of campanula with an attached root can be difficult. There's a lot of top growth, as you can see, but actually finding a stem can be tricky. I've still done it and soaked them in water to help them to take. What else have I here? Feverfew. Okay, so here you can see feverfew, which self-seeds prolifically around the place. So I'm taking up some of the extra seedlings. And again, feverfew is a very helpful plant for treating migraine. Has a bitter taste, but a little bit of relief is very helpful as a preventative. So here you can see some of the plants which this is one of the feverfew seedlings, several primulas here, and some of the campion clumps there. Campanula is sitting in water at the moment, and then again another great plant here is leucanthemum, or the large white flowered daisy. So I'll be transplanting these to the common areas in the estate here. A few of the shrubs have died over the winter, and so just looking for a little bit of colour for that in-between period, and also to fill any gaps that are there as the result of plant loss. So I hope you enjoy this, and it's given you some helpful hints on ways to make the best use of your plants, and maybe to pretty up some of the common areas in the neighbourhood where you live. If everyone put a couple of their plants into the common areas, it would really spruce them up and give them a nice splash of colour, and also give us that feeling of support and connection for each other, which is so important at this time. So hope you've enjoyed this, hope it's been helpful, and hope you're getting great solace from your garden this time of year. And at this difficult time, it certainly is a source of consolation for many. So happy gardening, everyone, and take care of yourselves. Bye.